Hello, this is a Saturday update video. You can see the weather is nice, and I've been putting the hopefully last touches on Marduk's adjustment. Now you can see the arms have lots of clearance in between the upper part of the shoulder and the roof. So I'm going to be putting that plastic back up, putting those bungees on, and the arms should be working. I noticed when I was moving the mech around a little bit, this wheel right here kept overextending and becoming unusable. That's probably because I need to put a pin under here so that this stays on, or I'm just going to put a wire under there and maybe move the entire wheel over a little bit. That way it is less likely to overextend and cause a mess. But I am thinking, since today is rather warm and it is muddy, it might not be the ideal conditions to drive the mech around. So tomorrow it is going to be around 32 instead of the toasty 45 we got today. So this all should be nice and frozen over-ish, and hopefully we'll be able to drive pretty well, because you can see that the wheel has kind of got buried in the mud and stuff, and there's even gravel coming up, so that's going to make it interesting if I did try it out today. But hopefully test run tomorrow, it won't be rainy, and I can put the camera system in there and we can have a good time. And I also got to get around to making a nice video with Judd McStud, because, you know, he's pretty cool looking, right? And, you know, he's like Marduk's little brother. And the way Marduk is acting, I think Marduk is not a he, Marduk is a she. Because the mech has been temperamental, and, well, because it's a mech, I go inside of it, so giggity. I guess that means I can come up with a mecha Mazume for Marduk, or, to use non-weeb terms, a cute anime girl to be the anthropomorphized version of Marduk. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to start getting used to saying she when referring to Marduk from now on. That's not gonna be awkward. But anyway, that's it for this update video, I guess. Hopefully the full systems test will be tomorrow, well, filmed tomorrow and released Monday. So, if you like this video and like my content, be sure to slap that like button and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.